Got a broken or cracked drain pipe? Here's how to fix it without turning your whole house upside down. First off, find where exactly the pipe is damaged by looking for leaks or slow drainage. You don't want to replace the whole thing if just a small part is busted. Then, turn off the water supply so you're not dealing with a flood while working. Grab some basic tools like a pipe cutter, wrench, and replacement pipe section that matches the old one. Cut out the damaged part cleanly, making sure the edges are smooth so the new piece fits snug. Use pipe connectors or couplings to attach the new section securely and seal the joints with plumber's tape or pipe cement to avoid leaks. Once everything's tight, turn the water back on and check for any drips or slow drainage again. If you see leaks, tighten the connections a bit more or redo the sealant. Remember, taking your time and double-checking saves you from another round of repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing broken drain pipes is rushing through the process, which usually leads to improper sealing and more leaks down the line. Always take your time with sealing joints. Another common issue is using the wrong size or type of replacement pipe, so make sure you know exactly what you're dealing with before buying parts. Lastly, a lot of people forget to shut off the water completely before starting, which can cause a mess and make things way harder to fix. Always turn off your main water supply first. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like drain pipe replacements. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid spot to find new clients who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.